Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the exact percentage of the battery on the status bar, simply enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the notifications, which is not really intuitive because usually we will just go to the battery options. However, there was a misclick, of course. However, for some reason it is not in the battery but in the notifications, so let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on advanced settings. And as you can see, on the third position we've got the option show battery percentage. Probably you've got this option turned off, so simply tap on the switcher in order to apply the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.